Okay, so the chapter number 2, evolution of computer. Everybody should open the page number 14. Let me write the page number so the students, those who are joining the class late, they can see the page number. Okay, I am writing it. It's a page number 14. Okay, in your computer book. On the page number 14, the first graphical user interface was designed in the 1970s. Okay, in the 1970s, in the 1970s. Okay, what is GUI? What is GUI? If you see my screen, if you see my screen, that screen is basically an interface. If you see my screen, if you see your mobile screen, if you see your tablet screen, each and every screen is an interface. When when you use the ATM, we all know we take out money from the ATM. ATM also has a screen. Okay, mobile also has a screen, tablet also has a screen, computer also has a screen, LCD also has a screen. All these screens have an interface. Interface is basically the screen which shows you something. Okay, what does mean by graphical user? Okay, it will show you this screen or the interface show you some graphics. Okay, on the computer the graphics is in the form of icons, in the form of programs, in the form of software. On the computer, on the TV, the graphics are in the form of movies or in the form of drama. Okay, so graphics on the ATM is in the form of numbers and passwords and alphabets are there. So the graphical user interface invented or designed in the 1970s. Why they were designed, we will see this. But this is just a screen on which we can communicate or we can talk. Okay, how we communicate? Okay, do you use mobile? It means you use your mobile screen to communicate. Okay, so you see your mobile screen and then you touch the screen and do some operations. So in this way you are doing the graphical user interface. You are using the GUI. Okay, if it is not there, then you will not understand how to do the task. Okay, because in GUI you can use mouse, and with the help of mouse you can use or open anything. Okay, but but GUI is there, but it required a lot of processing power and a high quality monitor, both of which were very expensive in the older times in 1970s. It means that 50 years back, 50 years back, the computer processing power is very much low and the monitors are of very low quality 50 years back. Okay, so it will require a lot of processing power and a high quality monitor. Both of them are very much expensive. Okay, so graphical user interface. Graphical means the graphics are on the screen for the user so that user can communicate or use the device with the help of those graphics. Okay, you use your mobile, you use your tablet, you use your laptop, you use your computer with the help of screen. For example, if the screen is not there, keyboard is there, mouse is there, screen is not there, can you use the computer? No. Why? Because you will not see what happened on the screen. You have mouse, you have CPU, you have keyboard, you have printer, but there is no screen. So there is no graphical user interface. How you will use computer? You will not see anything because graphical user interface is not there. It will not show you any graphics. Okay, yes, Jihad, what is your question? Jihad. Okay, Abdullah.
Sir, I don't listen you, sir.
Okay,
I don't.
everybody is listening me, say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yes,
thank you
sir.
everyone, thank you everyone. Okay, Jihad, kindly check your sound settings. Jihad, kindly check your sound settings. Everybody is listening me. Okay, I also check the settings. I also put the mic for you guys. Okay, I also put the mic. I purchased the specific mic for you so that you will get the clear sound. Okay, everybody is listening me, and kindly check your sounds settings. Okay, now yes, Abdullah is asking. Yes, Abdullah,
Sir, I have. Why did you tell me to talk?
what are you saying? Abdullah, what are you saying?
Why did you tell me to talk to open my mic? I have no
Raise the
question.
hand. You raise the hand. That's why I am asking.
I didn't raise my hand.
It's shown. Okay, 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 fine, no issue. Okay, Abdul Aziz. Yes, Abdul Aziz.
Yes, sir. I was gonna say Ahmed Awad is just playing. He don't listen to you.
What is your question?
My question is, what is? No, I said I forgot. I'm sorry.
Sorry, what are you saying? Your voice is not clear. Say slowly, please.
Okay, I was gonna say which page? Page
The
number
page.
what?
Oh, okay. Did you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. On my screen, are you seeing this thing? Did you see this one? What is written over there? What is written over there? Yes, Abdul Aziz. What is written over there?
Page number 14.
Yes. If you see this, then why you are asking?
I'm sorry, I did not.
Okay, Ahmedabad. Yes, Ahmedabad. What is your question? Ahmedabad. Yes, please. Ahmedabad, you raised the hand. That's why I'm asking. Okay. So I write the page number for you guys so that anyone who joins the class, they can see the page number. So GUI. Okay.
I don't have any question.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Ahmad Jibrail. Ahmad Jibril.
Sir, so the processing unit and the high quality monitor both
Yes.
was very expensive in that time, before
Yes.
15 years.
Very good, very good. They are very much expensive because 50 years back, at that time, these things are very, very much expensive. Okay. And they will need much processing power, the high processing CPU, and they also need the expensive monitor. Very good, Ahmad Jibril. Okay. Uh, yes, Karim. You want to say something, Karim? Karim, you raise the hand. Okay. Now, so these require these expensive things. A GUI uses visual elements. What is mean by the visual? The word visual means the things which we can see. Did you hear the word video? We say video. We watch videos. Why it is called the video? Because it's a visual. Video is a general term for the visual. Okay. Visual means the picture. In the movie there are so many pictures, so it become movie, and single picture is just a picture. So GUI uses the picture element or the pictorial elements or the visual elements such as menus and pointer. Where is the pointer? Okay, if you see the arrow on my screen, everybody see the arrow on my screen. When you use the computer, there is an arrow on the screen. What that arrow is called? This arrow is a pointer. This arrow is a pointer, also called as the cursor. It is used to point out. For example, I am moving this mouse arrow or pointer around the word evolution. So I am pointing out this word. So GUI, graphical user interface, uses visual elements like menus. For example, if I want to select anything or draw anything, I can use the option. For example, let me show you one picture. Okay, let me show you one. See, I made an arrow. I made an arrow to point out this word, pointers. I made another arrow to point out the word commands. In this way, I am giving commands to computer just with the help of my mouse. Okay, so they are drawing the arrow for me. For example, I made another arrow. Okay, I made another arrow to show the GUI. Then I am making the block around the computer. Okay, if you see, I am using just a buttons and a mouse. I am just clicking on the buttons and using my mouse, I am drawing it. So graphical user interface provide the easiness so that we can use the buttons with the help of mouse and keyboard and do the things. Okay, because if there is no mouse, then it is difficult to use computer. Okay, you use computer. Let's assume or let's suppose you don't have mouse. You have to use the computer with the keyboard. Then it will be little difficult to use computer. Why? Because the mouse is very smooth. Keyboard is not smooth. Okay, because mouse is very smooth, you can move mouse very fastly, but keyboard cannot move fast or do work fast in comparison with the mouse. So graphical user interface uses the visual elements like the menus are available. You click on the menu, you click on the start button, you click on the options, and you use pointers to give commands to computer. Okay, you give command to computer like shut down, you give command to delete the folder. So there are so many commands are there. Okay, so till now everyone understand this thing, everyone understand this thing, say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I
Very good,
understand.
very good, very good. So GUI, GUI stands for graphical user interface. Okay, graphical means graphics. Okay, you see the graphics, the folders, the pictures, the videos, the files. Okay, the options, the menus. You see, it's a graphics. The user, you are the user. If I am using, I am the user. So user is the person, and interface is just the screen appearance. It's the screen appearance, that how your screen appear. Okay, if you see your mobile, if you see your tablet, if you see your laptop, if you see your computer, the screen which shows you the icons or the graphics, it's a GUI. Means when you click on any item, any icon, any option, any file, any folder with the help of mouse, it means you are using the graphical user interface. So it's a GUI. In the old times, as I told you, it's very difficult to use. Why? Because at that time the high quality monitors are very much expensive, and this thing is started in 1970s. Okay, let me rub the arrows so that we will move to the new slide. Okay, in the 1980s, in the 1980s, with the advances in the technology, GUIs become popular. GUIs become popular. Graphical user interface becomes popular in the 1980s. It means in 10 years after 1970s, in near about 10 years, they are become popular. They are become popular. GUIs, graphical user interface, become popular. Yes, Jihad, what is your question? Jihad, are you there?
What's it?
You raise the hand. Yes, Kareem, what is your question?
What means popular?
Sorry, what are you saying?
What means popular?
Ah, popular means famous. Popular means famous. The thing which is famous.
Ah, okay, I know already. I know.
Good, good, very good. Yes, Hamza Suleiman, you are saying something. Yes, Hamza. What is your question, Hamza?
Sir, I missed.
What are you saying? Okay. So, after the making of GUI in the 10 years in the 1980s, with the advances in the technology, because the technology is changing every day in the old times till now. Okay, the mobile you purchase today, after 1 week it become old, and new mobiles will come in the market with the new advancement in the technology. Okay, So advancements are also done in the old times. So in the 1980s, with the advancement or the advances in the technology, graphical user interface becomes popular. The word popular means famous. They are famous among the people. Okay. So they are become famous, and and this popularity, this famousness, this popularity led to the development of the modern day computer, the laptop, and the handheld devices. Okay, so this popularity, this famousness will become lead towards the development of the modern day computer. The design, the interface design of the computer, today's laptop, and today's handheld device. Okay, the devices which can be kept under the hand or used or keep only in the hands are the handheld device, like mobile. Mobile is a handheld device. Okay, tablet is a handheld device. Okay, means you can pick them up and use them with the hands. Okay, computer is a device, but you cannot pick the computer. You can use the computer, but you cannot pick the computer in the hands and use them. It's not possible. So all these things, all these GUIs popularity led towards the development of the modern day computer interface, the laptop interface, the handheld devices like mobile and the tablets. All these devices they are using in it. Okay. So modern day computers and the laptop didn't come under the category of handheld. Mobile and tablets are the handheld devices. Everyone understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
That's
yes,
great.
that's
That's great. That's great. Okay. So this thing happens. Now Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. Everybody is using different Windows. So, and all other Windows. Windows 10, 8, 7. Someone is using 8.1. Someone is using Windows Vista. Someone is using some other Windows. All the other Windows, all are example of graphical user interface. All are example of GUI, because in Windows 10, in Windows 8, and in Windows 7, in each and every window, you can get the menus and you can use the mouse in these windows, because with the help of mouse you can click on any icon, you can click on any file, you can click on any folder. So each and every window is a GUI, because every window supports the mouse. Every window supports the mouse, and you can use mouse in those windows. So these are these are the examples of GUI. So everyone should repeat with me, what are the examples of GUI? Windows 10, 8, 7 are the examples of GUI. Yes, everyone can repeat with me. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 are example of GUI.
Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7.
Windows 8,
All
Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7,
Good.
and
Windows
Very
Windows
good.
8,
8, Windows
Windows
7,
are
Windows
Very
10,
good.
Windows
all
8,
Very
are
good.
7,
example of
Windows
So
8. Not giving
very good.
me.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So very good. So for example, if I ask you this question in the class, let's suppose in the next class I ask I ask this question. What are the examples of GUI? Or can you give me some examples of graphical user interface? So what would be the answer? The answer would be Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Okay, if I ask you, can you tell me some examples of GUI? The answer would be Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. Or I ask, can you give me some examples or examples of GUI? So you can mention Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. So it's very much easy. Okay. Jihad, do you have any question?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
answer.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now smartphones. Smartphones are mobile phones. Smartphones are mobile phones that can also perform many functions of a computer. Yes, you can shut down your smartphone. You can shut down your computer. Okay. So what else you can do? You can create the folder in your smartphone. You can create folder in computer. You can delete the folder in computer. You can delete the folder in a smartphone. You can delete picture in computer. You can delete picture in mobile. Okay. So there are so many similar functions. The word similar means same. So there are so many similar functions which smartphones and computer both have. So, smartphones are just a cell phone or a mobile phone. The word smartphone, the word mobile phone, the word cell phone, all are same. So, smartphones are the mobile phones that can also perform many functions of a computer. Yes, someone is saying something. Okay. Yes, Abdul Aziz, want to say something?
So, sir, oh, actually, I forgot it. Sorry. So close to sing it. Oh, yeah, sir, there. I was going to say, no, I
Yes, please.
forgot it.
Yes, Kareem.
Sir, you forgot the question, sir.
What
The
question?
question in page 14. You didn't do
We
it.
will do it. We will do it. Wait. We will do it. Wait, wait. We will do it. I will not forget. After this slide, we will do the question. Okay. So after this slide, we will do the question. So smartphones are just a mobile that can also perform many functions of a computer. Okay. So now everybody open the question on the page number 14. Now we are doing the question on the page number 14. There is a question on the page number 14. What is the question is saying? Write a paragraph on what you think computers will be like in future. Maybe there is flying computers. Maybe there is swimmers computers. Okay. Maybe the computers become very small. So there are so many things. The question is asking that write a paragraph on what you think computers will be like in the future. Means what do you think computer will look like in the future? Okay, someone is saying something. Yes, Kareem.
Sir, can I answer?
Okay, yes, you can answer.
The computers will be small. The computers will be more Exnogia. What's the name now?
Sorry,
It will
what are
be
you?
more cheaper, sir.
Ah,
Even.
good. They will be more faster. They will be more faster. Yes, you are right. You are saying the right thing. Okay. So there are so many things. They will be more fast. They will be small. Okay. And they will be much more faster. Okay. Let me show you the answer. Yes, Ahmed Jibrail, want to say something? Yes, Ahmed Jibrail, what are you saying?
I think the computers will be flexible.
Yes, computer will be flexible. Yes, because there is a new mobile phone of Samsung. It's a Samsung Flip. It's available in the market. It's a Flip mobile. It's a flexible mobile. You can fold that mobile. You are right. Yes,
Yes, I know,
and
sir. Okay.
yes, very good. So, so in the future will be more flexible computers are there. There will be more flexible computers and the screens are there. Good. Okay, let me show you the answer. So, future computers will be even faster than today and become very small, maybe the size of coins, and have much more capabilities than today's computer. The word capabilities means qualities. Okay? So everybody should has to write this in the book. Okay? Future computers will be even faster. Right now the computers we are using they are very much fast, but in the future they will be more faster. Okay? And maybe they will become very small because they are making the computer very small. Okay? Maybe the size of coins, maybe they will be small like the size of the coin, and they will have much more qualities or the capabilities than today's modern computer. Okay, everybody should has to write this in the book. I am waiting so that you can write. Take your time and write it. Try to try not to make any mistakes in writing. Everybody should has to write this on the page number 14 under the question. So everybody is writing. Everybody is writing. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I
Yes,
write,
Okay.
sir,
sir.
I
Good.
finished.
Good. Good. Write it. Write it. Everybody should write. Everybody should write. Everybody should write. Everybody should write this. So everybody is done. Everybody is done.
Yes,
Yes,
No.
sir.
sir.
You guys
Yes,
done?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
no.
Yes, sir. I done.
Yeah.
Okay. Those who didn't finish, they can take a screenshot. You guys can take a picture. You guys can take a picture because time of the period is ended, and you guys can take a picture. You guys can take a screenshot or take a picture, and then we will end it the class. I will wait for 30 seconds so that you can take a picture. I will wait for 30 seconds and you can take a picture. So now everybody take a picture. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to send me the picture in the mail in class era. Okay. There is no assignment for today's class. There is no worksheet. You only just have to send me the picture in the mail on the class era. Okay. You took the picture or you took the
Sir, how to the picture?
Bye, sir. Bye,
bye everyone.
sir.
You can take a picture
Bye,
in
Sir,
the
sir.
mail.
how to
Bye,
talk
Okay.
the
sir.
picture?
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Sir, how to
Bye.
talk the picture?
Bye.
You can take picture with the help of mobile phone, or you can, if you are using this on the mobile, then you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now we will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day, everyone.